Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about secure coding rule number STR03-J for Java. Rule states that do not encode non-character data as a string. As non-character data may not be representable as a string because not all bit patterns represent valid characters in most character sets. So let's understand this by an example. As you can see, here we have two sections of code. One is a non-compliant code and the other is compliant code. This non-compliant code example attempts to convert a big integer value to a string and then restore it to a big integer value. The program uses string bytes constructor to create a string from byte array. The behavior of this constructor when the given bytes are not valid in the default character set is unspecified. That's why when we try to convert x to a string and again from that string we try to get back the big integer value into y, we will see that the value of x and the y are different. I will show you by debugging this program. So let's debug this program. Here, as you can see, the value of x and the value of y are not same. So you see how it affects. Now let's see what happens when we run into the compliant code. The compliant solution first produces a string representation of a big integer object and then converts the string object to a byte array. This process is then reversed. Because of the textual representation in the string object is generated by the big integer class, it contains valid character data in the default character set. So let's see what happens when we try to convert a to a string and then again from string we try to get the big integer value into b. As I mentioned, this is a compliant code. We should get the values in a and b and both should be similar. So let's run this program further. As you can see here, the value in a and the value in b are same. So this shows you why you should not encode non-character data as a string. Thank you for watching.